Do you like car detailing? Please subscribe. Wheeler Detailers. Hit the bell icon and watch all our videos.
Oh my god. So Jordy and Wouter are on tour to Munich.
Kobelco construction machinery. Boah.
This was a special assignment from Kobelco. We have a long time contact there. Thank you very much, Wesley, that asked our team if we could help out to clean 25
exactly.
25 cranes at the largest construction fair in the world, which is the Bauma exhibition in Munich. So they have got like an outside booth, and the booth is, I don't know, maybe as large as the building here.
Yeah, minimum.
Just their booth, in which they display all their heavy machinery, so their cranes. So here Chris is using the Optima Steamer to clean all the tracks. Instead of tires, these things have tracks.
In every machine you have these rubber mats, floor mats.
Tijn is actually my 15-year-old cousin. He's Chris's son. And he had like an autumn break from school, like on a holiday. And so I needed to stay here because of detailing training, and I couldn't come. So I asked Tijn, are you looking forward to go to Munich? And well, you can explain how this boy works.
Here, you can see it.
Yeah?
Go time.
This is a new detailer is born.
Eat, sleep, steam, repeat.
Did the steamer work well there?
Yeah, it's very nice. Places where you can't reach by your hand, you can do it by steam. So
okay. Well, so look.
Without a steamer, we couldn't clear the job.
And was actually one steamer enough to do that?
Yeah. Chris was always steaming, and we are doing the interior, and we piped it over with EcoSmart.
Okay. Good. So you get the extra free lessons of gymnastics. I see.
And Chris already is really steaming.
Look at these arms of these cranes, which is behind.
Huge.
Yeah.
Huge.
How did you guys go on top there?
I climb up.
You climbed up on there?
I climbed up, yeah. You can see it in the next shot. This is Chris filming, it's not his job, you can see it.
Yeah. Yeah, inside pocket filming. Did you actually climb all there?
Yeah,
wow.
Yeah. Look at it, I'm sitting on there in a moment. Hello!
Aha!
Nice.
Cold beers.
Always good. We had one day...
Erdingen Weissbrau.
Yeah, we were staying in the place Erdingen. That's the place where Erdinger Weissbrau,
What's this?
This also slides. This is one big aqua park. It's 2 minutes drive from our hotel. So we had one day off, and we used it well.
Really cool.
That's Ostolo Mio.
That's the lady from the restaurant?
Yeah.
It's raining. That sucks.
That sucks. So
how was it there on the... Jordy's really looking happy there.
There was a rainy day, so not the most happy day.
How was it actually there on visitors on their booth?
A lot of visitors drinking beer, having fun.
But was it like crowded all day?
Yeah. Like 9 o'clock it's open, and 9 o'clock there are people, right at the moment. People running to the machines, yeah.
That's like a good German exhibition.
Nice, yeah.
This is the Silk Shine to the rescue part. Oh, first EcoSmart.
First EcoSmart, yeah. Wipey Wouter.
Wipey Wouter.
It's the brother of Wipey Wim.
We should put Chris there with the helmet. We should put Wim in the video.
Wipey Wim.
Actually, that goes quite well there with EcoSmart, eh?
Yeah. For the nice finish. Let's go. Detail Wouter. problem was we cleaned it so well, and 4 minutes later it's back again dirty. So people walking in, out. So you are.
Do they also like demo the cranes and move the arms? And
I didn't see them moving. No.
Okay.
No.
That's a huge equipment. Wow. Mm-hmm. You have to go on the stairs to enter it.
It was one of the biggest. You can see it now here. It goes up like 40 meters, I thought.
Did you went up there?
No.
Look at that thing.
This was the last day, and the last day they still shine. So we thought we did a good job.
Look at that.
They were the small ones. Yeah. It's enormous.
Insane, eh?
It's like a football field. It's big.
Wow. I knew this was hard work, but respect Chris, Wouter, Jordy and Tijn. This is mind-blowing. Great video, Jordy, and high five on that. And yeah, Kobelco Europe, thank you very much for the very nice cooperation. So hope to see you again at the next Bauma event.
Yeah, I hope so.
Sounds good. Hope you like the video. Please share it. We do too. And let's move on and keep on detailing. Bye bye.
Bye.